Hello from Dhaka, this is Noshin Anjum and you are watching BSS News. Every day, thousands of garment factories in Gazipur produce clothing for the world. But alongside finished apparel, another industry is quietly thriving, built not on new fabric but on what was once considered waste. Discarded jute waste, locally known as jhut, and cotton have now created a market worth several hundred crore taka, reshaping livelihoods and fueling industries both at home and abroad. In Gazipur city and district, more than 1,000 garment factories generate around 10,000 to 12,000 tons of discarded jute and cotton every single day. What was once factory waste has now become a valuable resource. Hundreds of traders and thousands of workers are directly involved in the buying, selling, and processing of this jute and cotton, turning waste into economic opportunity. Over time, large trading and processing hubs have developed across Gazipur. The biggest markets are located in Tongi's Mill Bazar and Majukhan areas, as well as in Purbo Chandora and Ambag of Kaliakair and Mauna of Sripur. In addition to these major hubs, smaller markets are scattered throughout the district. Locally, all these marketplaces are collectively known as Jhut Palli. This discarded material supplies local spinning mills and also serves as raw material for small and medium industrial enterprises across various districts of Bangladesh. Beyond domestic use, jute and cotton from Gazipur are exported to India, China, Turkey, Hong Kong, and the United States. This growing trade has also led to the expansion of recycling-based industries. In Dhaka, Gazipur, Narayanganj, and Savar factories have been established to produce everyday consumer products using recycled cotton and yarn made from discarded jute. These products include mattresses, car seats, quilts, pillows, cushions, toys, mops, dusters, carpet backing, shopping bags, and floor mats. The impact extends further across the country. In Norsingdi, Kishoreganj, and Mymensingh, recycled cotton and yarn are used to produce comparatively low-cost bedsheets, gamchas, and lungis. Meanwhile, in Noakhali and Chattogram, shipyards and industrial factories have developed to manufacture weaving rags and to process exportable jute. Official data also reflects this growth. According to the Export Promotion Bureau, exports of discarded garment jute and cotton from Bangladesh have been increasing steadily over the past several years. Major destination markets include India, China, Turkey, Hong Kong, and the United States and European Union countries. EPB data shows that in the 2022 to 2023 fiscal year alone, Bangladesh earned approximately 411.12 million taka in export revenue from discarded garment jute and cotton. This discarded jute and cotton market of Gazipur stands as a powerful example of how industrial waste can be transformed into economic strength. With proper planning, modern recycling systems, and fair market management, this sector has the potential to play an even more significant role in the future growth and global competitiveness of Bangladesh's garment industry. That's all for today. For more videos like this, visit BSS. Thanks for watching.